and I am not one to drive away those who have believed. If you pay attention, honor has become a barrier, creating an obstacle between them and the truth. They do not condescend to the truth due to their arrogance. We must provide an opportunity to individuals of this nature. We must engage with individuals of this nature. Their dignity prevents them from accepting the guidance that was sent by the Almighty. I acquired permission from the glory. The Almighty explicitly mentioned, hell is more than sufficient as a punishment for him. Those who turn their noses up at the truth because of their arrogance, those who turn their backs on the truth, are the ones who are willing to lose their rights in order to keep these things, because of their charisma, because of their fame. Hell is adequate for him, as stated by Almighty Allah. He consumes hell, he is a tad foolish in his actions and decisions. The bed is not bad, the fate is not bad, and there are consequences. Therefore, the reputation that we refer to as honor is primarily known for its association with these factors and the implications they carry. We totally waive this. We do not desire to be respected, not without the presence of respect. It is of utmost importance to us. We are moving towards the rightful direction in accordance with the inheritance and reasoning, towards the one and only possessor of honor, Allah Azza and Saleh, without searching for it in the presence of anyone, and without being negligent or ignorant of the importance and significance of our actions. Otherwise, we are not consciously selecting humiliation. This is humiliation among individuals who are experiencing humiliation. Position 6 under human, Allah exalted and glorified is most precious. We perceive servitude as the ultimate peak of honor from the perspective of a dedicated servant. He rescues you from an immense number of prostrations that you would otherwise be required to perform. Only by bowing down to Allah, the Lord of all worlds. I am in awe of Sultan Alparslan's greatness. I am crawling on the ground. I am crawling on the ground in front of your grandeur. What we perceive as a prayer to the Almighty God prior to releasing gas. Status is the ultimate point of honor for the believer. Prostrate and come closer. As Allah Almighty said, Walsudu walktaribu,